Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Enchant Relic in Fish. Alright, let's begin. First of all, the basic requirement is to be level 30. After reaching level 30 in Fish, you can purchase an Enchant Relic from Merlin NPC. However, what's also important to know is that this will cost you 11,000 game cash, which is quite expensive actually. However, an Enchant Relic can be obtained earlier as well. You will basically have to fish. So when you fish, there is actually a small chance that you will catch an Enchant Relic. Although this method is more time-consuming, it is better because it saves you a lot of money and a lot of grinding that you need to get to level 30. So, once you've done that, you want to come to this cave, and then in here, you want to hold down Interact button at the Enchant Altar, and it will say you must offer the altar an Enchant Relic. Now, if you have one in your inventory, it will then give you an enchantment to your rod. So that's basically how you can get Enchant Relic in Fish. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.